This is the elevator at 6400 Brooktree Court in Wexford, Pennsylvania, also Pine Township. That's the control room below there. It's a Schindler. Sadly, this used up the lopage chimes. We'll look up your lock later. Let's go up to 3. You know what that means? That doesn't work. Ooh. Probably 321A. But we'll see after we stop at 1. Schindler. All corroded. Door close button does not work on Schindlers before the 3300 era. Here we go. Just your basic Schindler elevator, nothing fancy. HT, regular, hands-free, ADA code compliant phone. There's your certificate. This was, see when this was installed. Let's look up the shaft. You were installed in ECI, so probably somewhere like 2001. Yeah, it's 2001. So this one up to 3. Fire staircase.